Hey guys, so it is Friday afternoon, but we have too many tomatoes. I have JJ here that can help me pick up the tomatoes, so we're gonna get started. So if you like watching these kind of videos, this is week 30 for our vegetable garden. Let's get started because JJ is excited. You get the baby ones right here. Look at all these yellow baby ones.
Okay, I can
See all the yellow baby ones? There's a lot of yellow baby ones that you can pick. And we have all of these big ones, but you do the yellow ones. Look, this one is rotten.
Yeah, that one's rotten.
This one is rotten. Oh my goodness, we should have came. Okay, go pick the little ones, please. Because we need to pick tomatoes. We have so many tomatoes.
Got so many things.
So many tomatoes. And you have the baby tomatoes. I have the big tomatoes. Oh, my stick broke. But we have so many tomatoes to pick. See, you got a lot of baby tomatoes.
Oh my God! I don't think I don't think I handle a lot of baby.
I need you to handle the baby tomatoes. Okay, you get the baby tomatoes.
And the trees like the pasta.
It's only a fly, JJ. Come on.
Oh,
You pick. You just gotta go like this. Look. Go like this. Like that, okay? But pick all the little yellow ones down there. It's only a little fly. See?
yeah.
You just go like that. Pick the yellow one. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. We have so many to pick. So little time. See, you just go like this. Go like that and you'll go away. It's not gonna do anything. Pick the little ones, JJ. Come on. You say you wanted to help and you're like afraid. Stop being afraid. They're not gonna do anything. Lots of tomatoes. I need you to pick all the little baby tomatoes.
I'm putting up on my car. I need help picking the other baby.
Ah, we have a lot of tomatoes.
I think I have a lot of tomatoes. This big. I think I know they're making rotten.
A lot of tomatoes.
No, I know the rotten. No, I know the tomato because it's rotten. Because the leaves are breaking and hardened.
I need you to hurry up because I gotta go back to work. And I can't be out here with you. So I need you to hurry up and pick up the tomatoes. Yeah, pick all of these.
And our tomatoes down here. A lot of
Tomatoes?
yeah, no, a lot of tomatoes.
Okay. Pick the tomatoes.
There's syrup. Something is swinging.
Something is swinging?
Yeah, look at it. See? Something is swinging.
Blow your hand with it.
It looks like a spider.
Not a spider.
Probably.
It is help you because I'm doing my own thing over here. Trying to fix this one over here. See? This one is about to bang here. Got it? Or are you still scared? Stop being scared.
Yeah. Mom, you got some. Look at behind you.
Okay, but I need you to go pick up the little one.
The spider.
There is no spider. Stop it.
It's
Just blow it. If there's a spider, blow it. The spider don't do anything. Okay, you can just go. And the spider will go away. You go.
Then I'll see you once you got.
Okay, the spider don't do nothing. Okay?
That one.
Where do you see a spider? Because I don't see no spider.
You picked up a yellow eagle.
I know, I picked up an eagle.
Shoot.
What? Where's the spider? I don't
No.
see no spider.
I was. How can I say shoot? Because it was.
You don't go shoot. You go. And that's it. Watch. Look. You go like this, and if you see a bug, you go. You blow it, and it'll go away. Here. See? You blow it, you go. And the bug will go away. The bug is more scared of you than you are of it.
You want me to? These are yellow.
You gotta grab the yellow.
These are yellow.
Yeah, those are yellow. No more over here. These are green. Okay? Let's see, over here. These are yellow. See, yellow?
Oh.
Let's see. Any peppers? No. See, you just go like this. You gotta blow. You go. Oh. Oh.
This is yellow green.
What?
This one.
You already picked it. It was green. Listen, I said the yellow one. The dark yellow one.
Okay. Okay. I will put and get it. Stay with this.
You don't want to touch it because it's far. Look, this you just go. See, it's not gonna do anything.
What's that?
It's just the fly for the flowers. You see, it's going to the flowers. Go. Alright, JJ. This is why it is left you outside, coming inside the house, because you're not doing anything. You're not helping.
One more. That
That
one.
one is the bird ate it here. Put it in the book. Alright, that's it.
The boy eat tomato.
Yep, go.
What? This one is right too.
Clear.
This one.
Oh, give me. I'll take this. Put it right here. Alright, go. That's it.
Let me check all of them to see no bite on them.
Alright, we picked up every tomato.
This is good.
We still got more
You
tomatoes.
pick a green too.
Let me see. Okay, throw it in there. It's okay. We got more carrots, another ginger. Here's more peppers. We put some cherry seeds to see if they grow.
I don't see any
Sweet
cherry.
potatoes. Regular potatoes are not done yet. It's not done yet. We got one big pepper that hasn't turned yet. We have more peppers. We picked all of our tomatoes. Everything else look like it's not time yet. So we're gonna leave the rest for another day. Right, JJ? Right. Check it out, what we got. Lots of tomatoes. But that was it for week 30 of our veggie bucket garden. God bless. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Say, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye, guys.